What's the meaning of crotales? Crotales. Crotales.
Crotales. Crotales. Crotales refer to a musical instrument that consists of small, tuned metal discs. They are often used in orchestral music to provide a delicate and shimmering sound in the high register. Crotales are played by striking them with a mallet or drumstick. Due to their size and pitch, crotales are often used to add color and texture to a piece of music rather than playing a specific melody. The sound of crotales is distinctive and can be easily recognized by listeners familiar with orchestral music.